This is a little introduction to my vacuum rotor. It's basically a toy. It's a engine that was made by the Rotor Corporation of America in Dayton, Ohio. This is one of the earlier ones. It's still a 3-digit serial number. And I haven't run it yet because I've been tweaking it, and I don't have a proper size round wick for the burner that it has. That one's the tail end of a wick, so I haven't been able to fire it up or try to fire it up yet. The vacuum engine will have very little power. It's water cooled. It's of course an external combustion engine there. The fuel that will be used will be denatured alcohol, like the burner there. Here's a little additional plaque that I added that gives a little more information on the engine. The patent on it just calls it a heat engine, and it was patented in 1939, and the patent number is there. And the patent was applied for and issued to a Mr. W.J. O'Leary of Dayton, Ohio. His patent was applied for back in 1934, so about 5 years later before he actually received a patent. And this engine was probably made earlier than even his patent application. This one was probably made in the early 1930s, if not the late 20s. So I just wanted to give you a little walk around on this. Sorry it's a little bumpy, but give you an idea on it. That's only about a 4-inch flywheel is what it has. This is just where you oil a cylinder, and this is the exhaust. The later ones here had a little whistle there, and I do have a reproduction whistle that I can swap into that area. So that's just another little plaything. There's the reproduction whistle. I can get it up here. There we go, and it would just screw in at it would just screw in here. So as it exhausts there, it gives a little tweak. We'll see how that goes when eventually I'll get it fired up. So I've cleaned it up. I've added that little additional information plate. I put it on a nice cherry plinth, so the presentation of it is quite nice now. Tilt it up here, and you can see the burner and the slide here where the flame goes in. These are called sort of generically, it's a flame eater. It's a flame sucker, a flame licker. Flame eater is a very commonly used term for it. So hope you enjoyed a little walk around there and a little brief introduction to a vacuum engine. This one is basically a toy from the late 20s and early 1930s. Hopefully we'll get it running here in the next few days, and when I do, we'll do a video of that. So I'm optimistic. I think we'll get it going. There's a little problems. You got to make sure you got them timed and different things. So it's a little bit of a challenge, but it should be fun. So there you go. The vacuum rotor flame eater.